What's up, everybody? Welcome to Bytes and Barter. Remember to like and subscribe. Let's talk about artificial intelligence. It's everywhere you look these days, powering your apps, your car, maybe even your fridge. But have you ever wondered how far AI can really go? In this video, we're going to break down the 10 stages of AI. From basic rule-based systems all the way to the mind-blowing potential of superintelligence. We're talking sci-fi stuff here, people. This isn't just about understanding the tech, though. We're also going to dive into how each stage of AI impacts us humans. The good, the bad, and the totally unpredictable. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. All right, before we jump into time-traveling robots and all that, let's start with the basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence? In a nutshell, AI is all about creating machines that can, well, think like us. Learning, problem-solving, decision-making, things that we used to think were strictly in the human domain. The idea's been around for centuries, but things really started heating up in the 1950s. That's when we got the first AI programs. And even the term artificial intelligence was coined. Early AI was pretty basic, mostly focused on logic and rules, but it set the stage for everything that was to come. Speaking of which, let's talk about those stages. So stage 1 of AI, rule-based systems. Think of it like programming your computer to play chess. You give it a set of rules. If the opponent moves their pawn here, you move your knight there. These early AI systems were all about following instructions to the letter. They were great for tasks with clear rules and predictable outcomes, like playing simple games or automating repetitive tasks in factories. But there was a problem. Rule-based systems were only as good as the rules you gave them. Throw in something unexpected, and they'd hit a wall. They couldn't learn or adapt on their own. Flexibility? Not so much. To really unlock the power of AI, we needed something more. Enter stage 2. Context-aware systems. Now, instead of just blindly following rules, AI started to understand the context of a situation. Imagine an AI assistant that not only understands your commands, but also considers your location, your preferences, even your past interactions. That's context in action. These systems use things like sensors and data analysis to get a better grasp of what's going on around them. They're not just reacting, they're starting to anticipate. Think about spam filters that learn to recognize phishing emails based on the language used, or AI chatbots that can follow up on previous conversations. They're getting smarter, more adaptable, but we're still just scratching the surface. Enter stage 3, domain-specific expert systems. These AI are like the chess grandmasters of their respective fields, laser-focused on one specific area of expertise. We're talking about AI that can diagnose diseases with accuracy rivaling top doctors, systems that can predict stock market fluctuations, or even algorithms that compose original music in the style of Bach. The key here is specialization. These AI are trained on massive data sets within their domain, allowing them to achieve superhuman performance in that specific area. But take them out of their comfort zone, and they're a little lost. A medical AI can't write you a symphony any more than a chess-playing AI can drive your car. Stage 4 is where things get really interesting. This is the era of machine learning, where AI steps out of the classroom and into the real world, learning from experience. Instead of being explicitly programmed, machine learning algorithms are fed massive amounts of data and use that data to identify patterns, make predictions, and even teach themselves new tricks. Think about recommendation algorithms on Netflix or Spotify. They're constantly learning your tastes based on what you watch and listen to, getting better at suggesting content you'll love. This ability to learn from data is a game changer, paving the way for even more powerful and adaptable AI systems. And that brings us to stage 5, deep learning. If machine learning is AI getting schooled, deep learning is AI going to grad school and then doing a PhD. We're talking about artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks have multiple layers, each processing information and passing it on to the next, allowing them to learn complex patterns and relationships. Deep learning has revolutionized fields like image recognition, natural language processing, and even drug discovery. It's the tech behind self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and those eerily accurate language translation apps. It's also pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, blurring the lines between machine and human capabilities. Stage 6, AI finds its voice. The rise of natural language processing. This stage is all about communication. Natural language processing, or NLP, is AI's attempt to understand and speak our language, and it's getting scarily good at it. We're talking about AI assistants that can understand your questions, follow your commands, and even hold conversations that feel surprisingly human. Think about chatbots that can answer customer service inquiries, language translation apps that can understand the nuances of different languages, or even AI-powered writing tools that can help you craft the perfect email or essay. NLP is breaking down the barriers between humans and machines, making it easier than ever to interact with technology in a natural and intuitive way. Stage 7. Hands-free, AI takes the wheel. Stage 7 brings us to the world of autonomous systems. Remember those self-driving cars we mentioned? This is where AI starts to take the wheel, literally. We're not just talking about cars either. Think drones that can navigate complex environments, robots that can work alongside humans in factories, or even AI-powered prosthetic limbs that can learn and adapt to a user's movements. Autonomous systems are all about giving machines the ability to operate independently, making decisions and taking actions without direct human intervention. It's a powerful concept with the potential to revolutionize industries, but it also raises important questions about safety, ethics, and the future of work. The next stage ushers us into the realm of general AI. Stage 8, the generalist. AI that can do it all. Up until this point, we've mostly been talking about AI that excels in specific domains. General AI, on the other hand, is the holy grail, an AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. It's about creating machines that can learn and adapt to any situation, solve problems in any domain, and even understand and respond to human emotions. We're not quite there yet, but researchers are making strides. Developing general AI is like building the ultimate thinking machine, and it has the potential to fundamentally change our world. And now, to the stage that feels straight out of science fiction, superintelligent AI. Stage 9, beyond human, the superintelligence enigma. This is the point where AI surpasses human intelligence in every way imaginable. Imagine an AI that can solve problems we can't even comprehend, that can make discoveries that would take us centuries, that can even understand and manipulate the very fabric of reality. It's a concept that's both exhilarating and terrifying. The potential benefits of superintelligence are enormous, but so are the risks. If we can create an intelligence that surpasses our own, how do we control it? How do we ensure that it aligns with our values? These are questions that we need to start grappling with today. This brings us to the final stage, stage 10. The future of us, AI and human symbiosis. This isn't about AI replacing us, but about AI augmenting us, enhancing our abilities, and helping us create a better future. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve climate change, cure diseases, and explore the universe. A world where we work alongside AI companions, each of us bringing our unique strengths to the table. This is the optimistic vision of AI's future, a future where humans and machines work together to create something truly extraordinary. It's a future that's full of possibilities, but it's up to us to shape it responsibly. Outro. The future awaits. So there you have it, the 10 stages of AI. From humble rule-based systems to the mind-blowing potential of superintelligence. We've covered a lot of ground today, but this is just the beginning of the conversation. AI is evolving faster than ever, and it's up to all of us to understand its implications and shape its future. Let me know in the comments which stage of AI you found most fascinating, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the world of tech.